Hello, Cavaliers. How you doing today? This is Mr. Harding over in Hernando again. Hello, Cavaliers. No, but anyway, right now we're doing a little density lab that you can do at home. One thing that's cool about this lab is, these are household items. First and foremost, right now, I have a cup of warm water. Okay. One thing is I pre-done everything to help me out, to help you out, make this one of the better videos. So it's a cup of warm water. I put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes to make sure it's nice and warm. Reason why I want to do that is because it makes it better when it comes to actually adding sugar to it. Why? Because it makes it more soluble. It blends in real quick. Uh, Here we go. So now I also have food coloring. Food coloring you find at the house. Most households have them. If you don't, they're at the dollar store. Pick them up for $1. And also picked up these little I hate to say shot glasses, but that's what they are. And we fill them up about midway. Okay, this one's red here. This one's yellow. And I have one that's blue. Okay, and what I did is I put 6 teaspoons. Tablespoons are bigger. I put 6 teaspoons of sugar and about, you're looking at probably about 10 mils of fluids here. Okay, on the blue. I also went and I added 4 teaspoons to the yellow. Okay, about 3.5, 4. And I added 2 teaspoons to the red. And right now what we're going to do is put those in this little flask here that I picked up at the dollar store also. And what I want you to do is realize that whenever I put these in, even though they're kind of the same solution, different increments of sugar, they should be separated. But here's the trick. Because of the fact that I don't have pipettes here, and I'm putting them in here, if I put them in too quick, they might mix, and that's what we're trying to avoid. So first and foremost, and I want to fill it up a little bit at a time. I'm not going to put the whole entire shot glasses in them, because you should be able to see the separation. Okay, so here we go. Like I said, blue goes first. Why? Because it's the most dense, and that should stay on the bottom. So I'll pour this in there. In this case, I don't have to worry about this particular one mixing with anything else, because it's the first one, the more dense. Like I said, 6 teaspoons of water. I'm sorry, sugar, not water. So now I got the yellow with the 4 or 3.5. I'm not quite sure. Don't recall too well. But I'm going to put this in. And when I put it in, I'm going to put it in slightly less than 45. Greater than 45. The reason why less than 45 is I want to be able to trickle it in without it mixing. That's the hard part. So I'm sitting there putting it in. And the more splash I get, the more it mixes is the one thing I do not want. Okay, so I put quite a bit in there. Now let's hold off and look at it. Now, can you see the separation? Yes, you can. That is pretty awesome. Now we got yellow. We have the blue here. My last one is red. This is pretty cool, to be honest with you, because I don't have a pipette. I thought it was going to mix right away. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see what the red does. And on the red, I put a tablespoon. No, I was right, 1.5 teaspoons in there. So again, slightly shorter than 45 degrees. And I want to gently put it in. I don't want it to mix. The more it mixes, the more the chance of the colors going together. And I don't want that. And it looks like it's doing it. I'm hoping it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, let's wait a second here. And let's see if they separate in color. And hold on. Will it? I don't think it is. I believe it mixed. Nope. There is a little bit of orange there. A little bit of orange, so it is trying to separate. Let's hold off for a minute and see if it does. If not, you can still see the separation. Here it is. You can see the yellowish coming. So it is separating. That's good. The solutions are separating from one another, which is pretty cool. I don't think it's going to do too much, because I should have added more sugar and less sugar on one and more sugar on the other. But in this case, like I said, this is one of those labs. Hey, if I could get 2 colors like this, or almost that third color in the middle with the orange, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is density. Why is the one in blue on the bottom, and why is red on top? Explain that to me. Guys, have a good day. Enjoy this lab. All you need, like I said, sugar, warm water, food coloring, a spoon to mix it, You could go with one of these beakers like I have. See the orange right now? I saw the orange. There it is. It started becoming yellow. So it is separating a little bit. Or you could actually put it in here in a water bottle. Okay? Like I said, this is a lab you could do at home. Enjoy. Have fun. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.